Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do hanging indents on the Google Docs website. So first of all, all you need to do just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So of course, in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, go to the URL section, make sure to type just Google Docs and hit the enter button, and then you will find yourself here. From here, make sure to click at the first link and make sure to avoid any advertisement links. Once you do that, you will find yourself here, and from here you will have to click at this sign in option to log in into your account if you already have one. But if you don't have an account, you will have just to click here at sign up for free to create an account. So once you did one of these two options, you will find yourself here with this home page or this screen, and of course from here you'll be able to create a blank document or just choose some of their provided templates, or you can just go here and open some of your recent documents if you have some, which I'm going to do here right now, and it's already empty. And as we said in the beginning of the video, you'd like to do hanging indents on our Google Docs page or file or whatever. So of course, if you want to do that, you would like to go to format here at the options right here, and now you'd like to go to align and indents. Once you are here, you can just go to the bottom and click at indentation options, and of course, as you can see here, you can of course edit whatever you want on the left and on the right, or on the left and the right of indentation. And of course, there is this special indent. Make sure to choose hanging, and of course select here whatever the specification you want. Once you finish, click as apply, and everything will be great. So I guess that what we said in the beginning of the video, I just show you how to hang an indent on the Google Docs website. So this will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.